Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the VICHTOP. It's 2-in-1 LED pool light. So we're gonna check these things out and see what they look like, and then try them out in the water if we need to. So let's see. So we have these little tubes here, little plastic ones. I guess this is gonna be just connected onto something. Another one here. And I guess these are gonna be for lights. And more of these connector pieces here. More of these. Looks like we got 4 of everything. And I guess these are going to be the little plastic bulbs for it. Yep. And we have instructions. That's it. Everything else is empty in there now. So let's see how these connect up and what they look like and how they work. So it's got a little solar panel up here, and we can peel the plastic off of that. So we will hook up the solar panel like, oh, it has a little battery place in there. A little pull tab for the battery. Oh, there we go, lights on. And I will screw it on. Oh, and see, it's off now. And then I guess when it goes to solar mode, it goes on and off. Look at that. And then we have our little connector here. So that'll be like that. And then, I'm trying to confused. How is this going to work? Let me look at the manual. It goes. Oh, ooh, that's the stake. Okay, so we can just have them staked into the lawn like this, or we can wrap it around something with this, and then we can strap it around. I can put it on my wrist. Like, let me see. Let me try it like a little bracelet. I know no one would do this. This is just me being silly, but it almost looks like it would work like that. Okay, so let's put this over here. I'm putting too much effort into this particular endeavor. There we go. And now look how cool I am. I'm the coolest kid in town with a light on my wrist. But then when it becomes dark outside, when I go to the rave and it's dark outside, the light comes on. How cool is that? Really cool. So I think I'm gonna go try these, and let's see what they look like at night. So we'll be back with the nighttime viewing of what this looks like. But otherwise, they look good. I like them. Thumbs up.